So dear students, as we decided to conduct all the exams through online platform, so we are introducing exam.net platform. So this video will help you in guiding you how to present your answers using this exam.net tool. So further thing, you just need to have a laptop or a desktop computer and active internet connection. So you need to go to this exam.net website. So you just need to provide the details exam.net. So once you enter the details, so it will load the website. So as you can see here, so this is a web page loaded. So here we have two options. One is student, other one is teacher. So you need to click student. So as a student, you just need to click on the student. It will ask you to enter the examination key. Okay. So you need to provide the examination key and click next. So it will load your exam. But before this process, you need to do one more step. That is, you need to download a browser that is called as SEB. So from where you need to download this SEB browser, so I'll tell you. The details of this browser you can find from the same website. Just scroll completely down. Okay, so when you scroll it down completely, you can see there is an option. Click here to install the high security mode on your device. So this is essential to write your papers because we are creating the question papers in high security mode so that any kind of cheating or searching for the answers over the online platform are disabled. So this is needed. Without this, you cannot write your exams. So click here to install this high security mode on your device. When you click on that, so it will load a new page. You can see this is a page loaded. After that, based on your computer platform, whether it is iOS or Windows, whatever you're using, so download that. If you're using iOS, then click on this. So if you're having a Windows machine, so click here. So when you download this, now the software will be downloaded in your computer. So as I already did this, so I'm not doing it again. So after that, you just need to open that link, that whatever the downloaded document is, you just open that software, then click on that and install it. It is a simple process. Just click next, 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 and then finish. Okay, so once the software is installed successfully, you are done. So now you can start attempting your exam. So as I mentioned the process, where you need to provide this key, examination key, that we will share. So once the key is shared, you provide the key and press this next button. It will load your examination page. So I'll just explain you this through a demo. With a demo exam, I'll write and I'll show you how to proceed and how to do this. Okay, so now there is a key for the exam to write. So I'm just pasting the key. This is examination key. So once you got the examination key, type your examination key properly. Make sure capital letters, small letters, everything is typed properly, because it is case sensitive. Small letter, capital letters as having difference. So click next. So there it will ask you to launch this that browser, SEB browser. Okay, just click on that. So it will take a little time to open this software because it has to close all the background work applications which are open. It will close everything and just opens only SEB browser to you. So now one more time, the same key you need to enter from here. So I am entering the key. So this time you cannot copy. So better you write it down someplace where you can access. So now I click on the next. Then whatever the details it is asking to enter, so provide those details. Suppose I use some random names. Then click on the option fetch the exam. So that's it. Then you will be loaded with your examination. So you can see two tabs here. So over the top, you can find out the question paper. And below you can find the writing space where you can type your answers. So you can just scroll up and scroll down to see the question paper. And you can adjust this upside and downside. And also if horizontal view is not comfortable for you, you can just go for vertical view where you can see question paper at the left side and answer script here. So still you can adjust this part. Then you can start attempting the question. The attempting the question is very simple. So write down the question number which you are attempting, question number 1 suppose, and the subbit I am accessing is question A. So write down the name, and in that we have a subbit that is 1. The question is saying which of the following is valid arithmetic operator. So for this question, the answer will be 1. That is, I should use the answer as this. Then question number B. So write the type of tokens from the following. So here, as per the question, if is a keyword. So I should type it as a keyword. And then roll number is identifier. So I am providing it as identifier. So likewise, you should answer each and every question. So where the typing is possible for you, where you can type the answers, those questions you type by providing the accurate question number. But everything is not possible. We know everything is not possible by typing. So what we can do, if there are some answers which you cannot type, example like we need to draw, or you need to make an images, or maybe tables. So this is little difficult. Okay. So further thing, what you can do a manual writing. That means you can write the answers on a paper by using your pen. So make your answers ready. And suppose if E bit, the question number E, I need to write on a paper. I cannot type here, suppose example. Then you write the answer of that on the page. And what you will do, you need to scan that solution. So click on the option scan solution. Then it will take you to this location where you need to provide, or you need to scan this QR code. To scan this QR code, you require your mobile phone. And in the mobile phone, make sure you have the QR code scanner. Nowadays, all the latest mobiles are by default, they're having this app scanner. If it is not there, you please download from the web store. Once you scan this in the mobile phone, you will get a link by seeing an option like go to website. So click on that go to website. It will take you to that location. So once it is loaded, you will get an option like a scan solution option. So click on the scan solution. So currently I'm doing in my mobile. So after clicking on the scan solution option, then you should scan your answer script. Whatever the answer you have written, so scan the answer sheet. Suppose for a temporary demo purpose, I'm just taking a blank sheet and then uploading this. And then you will get an option, upload option. So I am uploading it now. The same thing you can see on the screen. So it will ask you to enter a code. That code you can see from the mobile phone and type that code. Here my code is 946. The code is entered, then done. So click OK. So the answer will be attached in your examination sheet. See the first A, B questions I have typed, and this is suppose answer for the question number E. Then I give the question name E, then scan your solution. So here you can see the solution. As of now, I just given a blank image, a blank page. So here you can write your answer and upload it. Make sure while scanning, document is fully covered and no blur should not be there. The image should be, the answer should be visible properly. Okay, otherwise your evaluator may face difficult and you may lose marks if he cannot read your answer properly. Fine. So likewise, so which are the questions, which are the answers you can type here, you can type, continue by typing. And those questions you cannot type and you need to write on a paper, just write them on a paper and scan them and attach it. So that all your answers will be coming in one place. From our side, we will receive a document in PDF form. Then we will evaluate and we will provide you the result. And once everything is over, the final step, once you completed answering all the questions, then simply click on this submit exam option. So click. Then this step, so your exam is submitted. That's it. With this, your exam is over. Click on exit option. So hope this video clears or just helps you in answering your questions in coming exams. If any queries are there, you're always welcome. You can just contact in our college groups and you can contact me. So you will get, I was available in all the group commerce groups. So you can just put your messages there. So any issues are there, you can call me. You will be getting help definitely from our side. And make sure by 25th of this month, so all the queries you should be finishing, because since 27th, I think we are going to start our exams. That the schedule you will be going to get soon. Thank you.